High performers are usually rewarded with more work. At first that feels like progress. But over time it creates a quiet trap, where the better you perform, the harder it becomes to escape execution. This video explains why high performers are often the most constrained people in a system, and how operators avoid that outcome entirely. Systems optimize around reliability. When someone delivers consistently, the system reallocates risk away from them and pushes more execution toward them. Performance increases dependency, not freedom. Once a system identifies you as dependable, it routes complexity toward you. Small problems, urgent fixes, edge cases. Over time, your role becomes heavier, but not broader. Promotions usually require someone to redesign or lead systems. But high performers are too valuable inside the current system to remove. This creates an invisible ceiling. You're trusted, but also anchored. High performers rarely choose busyness. It accumulates as a byproduct of trust. The system doesn't ask if capacity exists, it assumes you'll absorb the load. Operators don't accept load as inevitable. They examine why work is flowing toward them and what structural change would prevent that. This shifts them from execution to architecture. When high performers pull back from execution, it can be misread as loss of commitment. That fear keeps many people locked in place, even when the cost is long-term stagnation. The moment you stop being the default solution, leverage begins forming. This usually requires replacing yourself through systems, documentation, or redesigned workflows. Many professionals equate performance with self-worth. Letting go of execution feels like losing identity. Operators separate identity from output early. Operators don't quit execution suddenly, they taper it. They design exits that leave systems stronger, not exposed. Over time, execution-heavy roles are automated, outsourced, or standardized. Design-oriented roles expand. This divergence compounds quietly. High performance earns trust, leverage earns freedom. If your success only increases your workload, it's time to redesign where your value connects.